Are there, can you hear me? Do you see like the bars going?
Yes, sir.
All right, man. What's the deal? It's your boy, Dejan. This is my first video, but I'm still your boy. We out here. My man's Bryce with me. Show yourself, Bryce. Show yourself, Bryce. Hey, what's the deal? Bryce was supposed to come with me earlier to another shoot, but luckily we got a couple. He's here now. We downtown Detroit. We about to take some pictures, man. Waiting on the model to get here. She should be pulling up. Let me see. It's cold out there. Let me put my hat on. What y'all think of this hat, man? I just got this hat. $4. Clear section, you feel me? But yeah, man. We about to get it. Let's go. Dog, starving.
It's actually you, bro.
He was so hungry. I wasn't really that hungry. All right, y'all. So we're out here. Got my girl Camry. She says like the car, Toyota Camry.
But with the K.
With the K.
Yeah.
With the K. So don't play with her.
That's what makes it special.
Right. So we about to go take a few shots around. Show the little area. Downtown. It's a little cold, but it's all good.
I'm grabbing some. Thank you.
So we about to shoot. Let's get it. Look that way, kind of look up that way. There you go. Bring your arm up and hold that
Like
side of it.
this?
Yeah, that side of it. Yeah. You go right there. Good. Now I'm just walking by. We'll be lowing. What side do you think is your good side?
She said every
It's up to you.
side.
All sides.
Yeah.
All sides.
I think this is a good
This is a good side? Okay, you can walk by. This way. I'll have you just stand in the middle. You can just stand right there. And then kick one leg out. Kind of pop your hips.
Like this?
Yeah, that's good. Bring your other hands in front. You can like hold your hands together a little bit. Now, kind of like I'm gonna have you put your back to me and then twirl towards me. And kind of like clean your jacket as you come. Yeah, yeah. Then you can even turn more like like one of these.
Damn, boy.
Play the bird. Alright. Let's go back to where I was. But the hunger motivated us to walk. I'm not hungry no more, so I want to walk.
Been?
I'm from
Side? West?
I live in Oak Park, so I'm like,
West.
west side.
West side. West side's the best side. I'm from no side, but
From up north.
I'm not.
Yeah.
Camry lost her car.
No, I didn't.
How a girl named Camry can't find a car?
Location number 2.
Let's go. Right now, kind of like kick your leg this way, like to the side.
It's gonna come
You're
out
not
fire
flexible?
though.
Listen, I'm clumsy. That's
Yeah. Wait till I say go because you be going early. Yeah, do a few. 1, 2, 3. That's cool. I want to see this.
I was thinking about this.
The snow kind of in the shot. We don't want that. Look like back that way a little bit. All right, let's go somewhere around. Actually, was this alley cool? I said I want to shoot an alley.
Yeah.
Now turn that way and kind of look back at me like over your shoulder, over your right shoulder. What is this music? It's one of your beats.
You would never come for my music like that.
Wow, you should be a freaking comedian.
Hey, this wind picking up, my guy.
Are you cold, Bryce?
Negro.
Let's go over here.
Ooh.
Yes, sir. Your jacket, kind of hold your jacket in like you're like, ooh, it's cold, but I'm
Nice. It's kind of like the Coke blends in.
All right, we had to be done because Bryce was cold.
He's a professional cap artist.
Okay. You know, but it was a good shoot. Got harassed by some people while we were shooting, but that's normal. That's how you know you're doing it right. Had fun. Happy to make this video. We'll be making more. I'll have more hats for you guys to judge. And thanks for watching.